The Royal Opera House is based here in Covent Garden, and it's the home to world-class opera and ballet, supported by the orchestra of the Royal Opera House as well. The Royal Opera House is committed to net zero emissions by 2035, and if we can reach that even earlier by 2030, then that would be fantastic as well. Here in Covent Garden, we recognise that everything that we do impacts the environment, so we're focusing on 4 areas: our people, our buildings, our productions and our operations.
We have multiple restaurants, bars and cafes. Vegware's got a massive part of what we play and what we do here. For me, we share the same philosophy. We have a huge restaurant on our 6th floor called our Staff and Artist Restaurant, which is about being clever to how do we get 800 people through the door and as being as calm and sustainable as possible, to trying to minimise as much waste as possible. So we're not chucking anything away.
We wanted to offer something in our staff and artist restaurants that wasn't just a disposable or recyclable, but something that had less of an impact on the environment. And using a compostable material for us was something that delivered that. When we looked at several options, Vegware had the best range for the kind of products we were looking for. Interacting with the team when we were looking at the samples and the opportunities, again, we found the relationship was great, and we liked the look of the branding of the product too. I think when you change a system and a waste stream, it's about people understanding why you're doing it and then what's there. And everyone has to play a part in that. It's about communication, it's about education, and you can see the success in the waste stream audits that we've done.
We also have our waste champions who are sort of carrying out the work around the building to make sure that we're doing everything as good as we can.
Waste champions, we are employees at the Royal Opera House, and we walked once a month all the building just to check the bins and see how we are doing with wasting habits. The other places that I've worked in before never had a compostable bin, but when I started the Royal Opera House, I was so amazed that we had a composting bin. So I think it's great.
So we have been communicating to staff and artists about Vegware at the point where they're actually recycling. So one of the things that Vegware has done for us is to create a range of posters which have really detailed exactly what goes into each bin in a really clear and simple way. And that's really helped staff at the moment that they're actually throwing their recycling away to make sure that they're using the correct bins. And we found that that's been a really fantastic thing for us, and it's really worked.
Look, it's been a great success for us. It was actually a much quicker and easier impact than we thought we'd have. And working with Vegware for us is a great solution to the issue.